Well, what an absolutely gorgeous day. It's cold. Well, it's not that cold, actually. But it's a beautiful day. But look at this. Look. Look. Do you know what that is? It's a smart meter, damn it. A smart meter. My next door neighbour has put in a bloody smart meter. Damn her. Right, let's get some. Feed the birds. Tuppence a bag. Tuppence. Tuppence a bag. My daily little ritual for the birdies. Can you hear them cheeping in the background? Sparrows waiting for their breakfast. Alright, just do it all for the centerpiece. Trouble is, of course, the pigeons get most of it, but what the hell? They have to eat as well.